Welcome to this course Sustainable Engineering Concept and Life Cycle Analysis. We will look about Big 2 Assignment 2 solution. Due date is 5th February 2025. Which of the following best describe the purpose of risk-based frameworks in environmental issues? If a chemical has a hazard index of greater than 1, what does this indicate? What is the significance of the reference? Does RFD? What is the purpose of dividing NOAEL or LOAEL by uncertainty factors? Calculate the hazard index if the absorbed dose is 0.01 mg per kg per day and the RFD is 0.02. What does the slope factor quantify in risk assessment? What is the relationship between NOAFL and LOAEL in toxicity studies? What is the primary focus of life cycle frameworks in sustainability? What is the main route of elimination for water-soluble toxicants? What does NOAEL stand for in toxicity studies? Which of the following best describes bioavailability? In the dose-response relationship, what does the term LOAEL signify? Suppose drinking water contains test as and this is what I calculate average daily dose for tolerance. Okay, this is also numerical. What is common route of exposure to carcinogens? Thank you guys for watching this video till the end.